Hey guys, EJ Lockpicks here again. Gonna try a different camera angle now, seeing as how I don't have a tripod yet. So you're kind of looking at the innards of my desk here. Here I got a Brinks, I think it's a 60 millimeter? Yeah, 60 millimeters, quote unquote high security padlock. 4 pins. Here's the bitting. So slightly challenging maybe to the average picker. There it is. Works great. But we're gonna see if we can't get this thing picked. See if we can't tension it. Now hopefully this works a little better for us. So here we go. A little bit of tension. Let's see if we can't get this thing open. Bear with me, it's been a while since I picked this one, so if it takes me a really long time to pick a 4-pin lock, I think I'm gonna quit. No. Come on. It's thinking about it. Oops. I think I may have overset somebody already. Falling out of frame here. Let's see. Move it over just a tad. That's a little more comfortable. Yeah, I think I'll have to reset again. This lock is a little gritty. You can feel it in turning the key. Sometimes I have to wake the pins up a little bit. So, there you go. So ensured we're locked still. You don't think I'm cheating? That'd be bad. I'll try a different wrench also. Alright, let's get in there. Well, I think we're binding on the cylinder of this wrench. I might have to do what I did to that ace lock and use this funky tension tool. Before I do that though, let's see, pull it out there, see if we can't get something going here. If I can't, yeah, see, it's binding. Make sure we're reset. Let's try to cram this tool in the top here. Kinda gotta force it in there and then go for it. So let's see what we can't do now. I think we're still oversetting people. Wow. This is rather embarrassing. I remember when I bought this lock, I pulled out my picks. See, there's my false right there. Holy shit. I pulled out my picks and I had this thing picked in 15 seconds. And I was rather surprised. This quote unquote high security lock. See, now I'm in 2 falses. Oh! Yep. Do we have it open? See, that's what I'm talking about that cylinder being gooped up. that cylinder is open and we can't get anywhere with it. That's really weird. Yeah, none of those pins will move. They're all in the right spot. So why can't I turn that? That's really weird. There it is. Oh wow. That thing is gritty. Look at that, the core won't even turn back. I have to force it back. Well, there it is, it's been picked, but holy crap. Oh wow. That was just nasty. Oh wow, look at that, even with the key it sits. Ooh, that's really gritty. Good thing I don't use this lock on anything. Holy crap, I'd have lots of problems. Alright, well that's it. Stay legal.